get ready to travel. When I'm get ready to travel, I'll make sure I pick the good luggage. The second one for a week, over weeks. The first one for a weekend, the third one. After that, the most important for me, I'll make sure I got my sneakers. Pick the good one. If you forgot your sneakers, you forget 50% on your trip. Like for example, if you forget your shirt, your pants, you can buy at the airport or on your destination. But for now, I'll make sure I pick the good one. For this one, we travel summertime. I think this one is perfect. This one is perfect for beach, for adventure. But when you go to jungle, but mountain, this one is perfect. Let's try right now. After my sneakers, I'll make sure I got my perfume. Very, very important for me. This is in third position, my perfume. In third position, for soap, I always bring my soap because the hotel soap, I never like the hotel soap. I don't know why. I always bring my soap when I'm travel. After that, my belt. I'll make sure I got my belt, but I really like belt. I got another one. This is a Versace. I'll make sure you remove this one, okay, and you put this one, my belt, and my cap too. I'll make sure I bring my cap. I love bring cap too, and my toothbrush. You see, my toothbrush. I'll make sure. Right now, after that, we're gonna pack everything. I'll make sure everything. Skin. This is oil bath. I'm gonna split in this one. And the two bottles are gonna split the skin bath. And make sure too, I got a set for this one too. I got another set. I can put this set too. Ready to pack. The air tag. The air tag gonna put this is for air tag. This is a tracker. If I lost my luggage, I can find it anywhere. But my toothpaste, I really love bring my own stuff. I never use the stuff they give it at the hotel, but this is all thing I got for pack. The first impression when I get to travel, I'm ready to travel. My luggage, my sneakers, my perfume. I'll make sure I get everything set already. Right now, we're gonna pack. What's inside my travel bag? The first thing, the most important for me in my travel bag is my accessory. My accessory, 50% of my life is all the cable, my focus, the rolling table, the Apple Watch, my charger, the service I drive, and I got some space to my Apple Watch bed. Okay, this is my Apple Watch bed. I can put everything inside my Apple Watch band, and also too I can put my remote control. We talk about later. And second thing I will never forget, my Apple TV. At the hotel, I never watch TV cable at the hotel. I bring my own Apple TV to watch my show Netflix, YouTube. This is my second thing. My iPad. I got two iPads. The reason I got two iPads, this iPad is for work. When I make my video, when I travel. And this one is small iPad. I use this on the airplane. Yes, my speaker too. This is a JBL speaker. I don't want to talk about this one later. I want to talk about this one. Sony camera. Video. Sony camera. I got it. Stick. Selfie stick. Take a picture. I got it. Cable. Like cable for vlog. For my passport. DJI microphone for good quality sound. AirPod Max, I use AirPod Max, and Apple Watch and AirPods. This is the second phone. I use the second phone in case my first phone don't have power. I use this one.